Alright, 2026 Porsche Macan. Pin to start immobilisation. So the immobiliser automatically arms every time you get out of the vehicle with the ignition off. And it's acknowledged by a flash of your main beam warning light in the instrument cluster. 2 flashes signals system is armed. 1 flash is disarmed. So if I foot on the brake, attempt to start the vehicle, okay, won't start. So we need to dearm the immobiliser. So we can use any of these buttons, a combination of button pushes, or we can have it, if you don't want to put your button in, you can have a tag so it automatically disarms every time you get in the vehicle, or we can pair it up to your smartphone so it disarms when it sees a valid smartphone. But we'll put the pin code in just to show you on this one. So process is ignition on, okay, so if you watch for the main beam warning light there, now I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see how flash when I've hit the 5th button flashes. There we go, engine starts and runs. Okay, so you need your pin code to be able to start the engine. So you can open and close the door now. It's on and running, no problem at all. But as soon as you switch the ignition off and open the door, 2 flashes, immobiliser is now reactivated.